Hi everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to adjust SFX volume in Fairy Tail 2. So all you need to do, just hit escape, head over to the third tab called options, head over to the fifth tab called audio settings, then go to the second option SFX volume and left click on the left button to lower it, or to the right button, left click to the right button to higher it, and then click save. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys next time.